Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on removing grouping symbols worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of removing grouping symbols, which is the same as removing brackets or expanding, as I explained in the lesson. Now, talking about the lesson, if you're not sure how to proceed here, on the last slide there is a link. Just click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So I'll leave this first slide on for about 1 minute, but you can pause the video for as long as you like, but after 1 minute I will move on and we'll have the next slide. That is the second slide. Okay, here's the second slide now. So their examples are just a little bit more involved. I'll also leave this slide on for 1 minute, but you can pause the video as always for as long as you want. And then after 1 minute, I'll move on to the final slide. Okay, I'll go to the last slide now, and remember there's a link available. You can click on it if you need any help.